Hello everyone, we are back with our homemade syrups for coffee and tea. This time, we are going to make homemade roasted hazelnut syrup. Why roasted? Well, I find they smell and taste better with that smoky taste. If you would like to make a regular hazelnut syrup, you may skip the roasting process. Use skinned hazelnuts, that is hazelnuts without peel. I would suggest you buy them without the skin, and they should be available in groceries and supermarkets. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius or about 375 Fahrenheit. Roast for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, your hazelnut should look like this, smelling of smoky hazelnuts. Using a mortar and pestle, crush the nuts. Do not crush too much or too fine, just enough to make the infusion better. Let's prepare the other ingredients. For 1 bottle of 750 ml, we need 500 grams of white sugar, 250 ml of water, and 50 grams of crushed roasted hazelnuts. Into a saucepan, pour the water and the hazelnuts in. Turn on the heat. Bring it to a boil, and when the water is boiling, add the sugar. You may stir to dissolve the sugar or leave the sugar to dissolve by itself. Once the sugar is fully dissolved, bring it to a boil one last time. Turn off the heat and let it cool down. Let it rest and infuse the syrup with the hazelnuts. I would say leave it for at least 2 hours or so. Scoop up the hazelnuts into a bowl. Then strain to fully remove all the bits. Do not throw the sweetened hazelnuts. I love blending them with fruits for a smoothie bowl or even have them as they are. Pour the roasted hazelnut syrup into a bottle for use with your milk tea and coffee drinks. This homemade roasted hazelnut syrup is good for at least 2 weeks. Keep them refrigerated to prolong the shelf life. Stay tuned for more cost-saving video clips by making your own syrups. Click subscribe, like, and share the love. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.